Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Windows can't verify the publisher of this driver software on Windows 10. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Click and expand Administrative Templates. Click and expand System. Click Driver Installation. Click and open Code Signing for device drivers. Check Enabled. Select Ignore. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit Group Policy Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.